Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Misconception Monday. The misconception today is self-made millionaire. I'm telling you, there's no such thing. In any millionaire's life, there's going to be multiple people that helped them achieve it. I do not allow people to call me a self-made millionaire. In fact, if you do, I quickly correct them and let them know that I had over 100 people on my team that helped me reach millionaire, multimillionaire status. I had over 35 real estate agents that helped me. I had dozens of wholesalers that helped me. I had CPAs, attorneys, you name it. I probably had 40 different mentors, both real one-on-one mentors and books, seminars, things like that. So there were over 100 people on my team that helped me achieve it. If you look at any so-called self-made millionaire, there's a team behind them. I don't like it. I think it's egotistical to say. So don't be fooled. There's no such thing as a self-made millionaire. That's Misconception Monday. Thanks for watching.